Today I'm fishing with my good buddy Hunter here.
Howdy.
Known him for about a year now. We fished probably like 4 times, something like that.
Yeah, about 4 times.
You saw him in one of my other videos when we went out for walleye out in the Lund. So we're out here on some solid water now. We got some tip-ups out. Tell me a little bit about yourself. What's your favorite type of fishing?
Favorite type of fishing will be mostly ice fishing because I got me a good old ice castle, and I usually go up to Minnesota for walleye fishing, but this year I'm stuck at home because of work. So here I am fishing with my boy Max.
What's your favorite species to catch?
The winter season probably be walleye and northern, but as now we're fishing for bluegill and northern, so whatever comes.
Yep. Alrighty, folks. What's your hopes for today?
Fish. Lots of fish.
So we are here on kind of a little secret body of water, but if this doesn't work out, we'll go to the designated killer spot. So we'll do a little quick interview, tell you a little bit about Marcus over here in a little bit, but that wraps it up for Hunter today. You'll see him around. He'll probably slay some fish here. So there you go. We'll see you once we catch a fish or something. They just gotta come around. We got him in the crosshairs. Alrighty, folks. We decided to switch up lakes here, and we're going for panfish now. See if we can't snatch a few here. Here it comes. Got him. Little feller. Nothing special. See you, friend. I think we'll start whaling on him pretty soon here. Just gotta find him. Got him. Ooh, this is a mega. Boy. This might be a bass. This thing's fighting good. Yeah, it's a bass. Check that out. Little basso.
How you just catch 2 fish like that guy?
Huh?
How do you just catch 2 fish like in a row?
I don't know. It's just how I do stuff. Little basso. Cool little fella. Let him go. See you, friend. Goodbye. There we go. Ooh, this fish has got some torque to him. What the heck am I catching here? What the heck is this? Another bass. Huh? Hunter says I'm ugly for catching fish. It's the second one in a row. Jeez. Another little guy, almost like the same dude. Fun fight. I'll tell you that. Interesting. Oh yeah, instantly. Got him. Little bluegill. Little guy, just a little guy. Just another small bluegill, probably. Look at this dude. Such a cute little fish. That's what I should put in my fish tank. Oh, those little dudes. Roll it up. Ooh, this is a good fish. Maybe. Nope. Not a dank. Dankster, dankster, what's your number? Hunter's hooked up. Get him. Ooh, nice bass.
Oh, you brother. Got him some ice. Come on now. Hell yeah. Some good old colors.
Switched up. Same colors that I'm rocking, just a slightly different appearance. Nice little bass.
There she goes.
Good stuff.
Hell yeah.
Love me some deeper water. We're gonna move deep. Deeper, but not like 30 feet or nothing. We're just gonna go out a little bit more. Right out here should be good. See how deep she is. Mark is here just hooked up.
Why?
Show him what you got.
Tank.
Tankster.
Oh, oh, that hurt.
He just got done catching this guy. Another slob. Good stuff, brother.
You should come fishing my hole with me. You should see how many fish fly. That one flew up like 5 feet to hit it.
Sick. Hunter and them are smashing them. I'm exploring new ground over here. We'll see what happens. Here we go.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh, that's a good fish.
Max, you like mine?
Huh?
It's a little bit smaller.
As long as it's eater. Oh! There we go.
I would not call that very small, huh? Yeah, no, he definitely wasn't 8.5.
Ha ha ha!
I'm gonna go home today and I'm gonna log fishing clean, goddammit.
Look at that guy.
I might keep some, I don't know. You're more than welcome to.
I'm gonna put the juiciest waxworm that's ever survived on the earth onto my thing. Oh, this guy right here. This dude is so juicy. Look at him.
They're just stacked down here. You should have brought your camera out here.
For real, if it was charged.
Go hook it up to my auger battery. No, Max, let's go back to my Jeep. We'll take the fucking battery out of it. A 12 volt. Put a car battery on there. We'll call it good, eh?
My hole's loaded now too. I'd say that's an eater. Woo! Almost lost him. Big one? Might be a crop.
Oh my, that's not a crappie, that's just a tank. That's just a great fish. Absolute tank. Absolute dank fish right here.
Catching some dank bluegills right now. Put the boys on the spot, guide fish meat for dinner right here. Here we go, about to get dinked on. Ooh, this is huge. This is a big ass fish. I got something monstrous. No joke. Holy crud. That, oh. So big, I need to measure this thing. Holy crap. It's bigger than my hand. Oh. Look at this freaking thing.
You like mine? Oh yeah.
Oh shoot.
Oh,
Dude, there's no fucking way.
That's a 10.
I might have to steal that for my string.
That's a 10. That's a 10.
I'm fucking mint, guys.
Those are nice bluegills, eh?
I'll get my picture.
Yo, I gotta send this to my dad.
Hold that puppy up.
Yeah, I'll take you a picture. I'll post it on my story. So serious. It's like, that's a 10.
It's a 10. A 10 inch bluegill. A big old boy. Look at that fillet. It's gonna be like this.
Dude, I'm gonna eat good today.
Woo! Right there. Woo! If you don't get all the meat off this guy, I'm killing you.
That's why I'm not flaying them.
That is monstrous.
See, I'll do the smaller ones for practice, because I'm not so great at flaying.
You're gonna have to send me that picture.
They're all pretty big.
Oh,
Hey, mark that
for
one.
sure. This is the biggest one I've caught out of here ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
Monster.
Oops, that's the,
What is that? Excuse me? A rock bass.
I think it's
Bluegill.
mutant.
Oh yeah.
What the heck is that
It looks
thing?
like a saltwater fish.
What the heck? Its head is like blue.
what? You sure that's a fucking bluegill?
It's a warmouth.
What the hell is a
I don't
warthog?
know.
That's a damn warthog fish.
Oh, looks like a rock bass.
It does.
Probably is.
I'm gonna take this and send it on Ice Junkies and see what they say.